Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can setting your Google Ads for your Shopify. So let's say that you've already sell your product on Shopify for quite a long time and you would like to increase your sales, or maybe you would like to add more leads for your Shopify account. What you're going to do first is you're going to want to go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find this apps menu right here. And then this search bar are going to react. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to type in Google on your search bar, and this Google and YouTube options are going to show. So you're going to want to click on it, and in this section you actually are going to want to connect your Google account to your Shopify. I already have my Google connected, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm just going to disconnect it real fast, and then I'm going to reconnect the Google account. If you haven't connected yet, it's going to say connect your Google account. So go ahead and do that. And then you're going to choose on which Google account you will want to connect with your Shopify. And that is it. Your Google account are going to be connected, as easy as that. And then after you finish connecting your Google account, you're going to want to go to ads.google.com. Obviously, when you're signing up for an ads account on Google, you're going to want to use the same email that you've connected to your Shopify. So I already signed up, but I haven't created a Google Ads account yet. So we're going to create a new one for now. Go ahead and click on this new Google Ads account. And then we're going to set up our Google Ads account. If you already have your own Google Ads account, you can go ahead and use that one. I haven't had mine, so I'm going to make one real quick. All right, so I finished creating my account. So this is my Google Ads account for now. And what we're going to do next is we're going to click on this create new campaign. So we're going to create a campaign in order to create a conversion. Now, this conversion is going to depend on the objective you will want to achieve when you're creating the ads on Google. Let's say that you would like to increase your sales, you can go ahead and choose this one. Or if you would like to increase your leads, which means that you're going to get more leads and other conversion by encouraging customer to take action. Or maybe you would like to increase your website traffic, or you would want to promote your apps, you want to create awareness, or you will want to create a local visit if you already have an offline store, or maybe you don't have a goal yet. You can just choose within all of these options right here and make sure that the goal that you're trying to achieve is going to align with any of the options that are appearing on this objective section. So for today, I am going to create a campaign that are going to get me more leads. After that, if you scroll down, it's going to show you on the campaign type. There is a performance max, there is a search, which means that it's going to generate leads on Google search. There is shopping, there's video, display, and demand gen. So this is the one that I like the most, because it means that if people are trying to search for a certain product, they're going to be able to see my product on the Google search results. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Again, all of this are going to depend on what goal you're trying to achieve. So make sure to read everything carefully and try to choose the one that aligns with your goal the most. I'm just going to use the search one right here. And then they're going to ask you about the way that you would like to reach the goal, whether it's website visit, shop visit, or app download. I'm just going to click on website visit. And over here, I'm going to paste on my Shopify website link. So I'm going to go ahead and put it over there. Next, they're going to ask you to choose a leads conversion goal. So here are the options that you can get for your conversion. You can form submissions for your ads. You can form submission from your website, or you can create phone call from your ads. You can create a sign up, book appointment, quote request, get direction, outbound click, contact, etc. And if you click on any of this, they're going to give you information on what's going to happen. For example, if you click on outbound click, it's going to say that you're going to get setup instruction in an email when you submit campaigns for review. So once you've chosen on the leads conversion goals that you will want, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to name your campaigns. Let's say that I want to name it as Shopify ads. All right. And then you can also choose whether you will want to enhance your conversion to your account. It says here that enhanced conversion use info that customer provide on your website, such as email addresses, which can improve measurement and optimize your campaign. The settings will apply to all eligible conversion in your account. Feel free to add that if you want, and after that, make sure that you've already read all of the policies and everything. And if you agree with everything written here, go ahead and click on agree and continue. Next, you're going to be directed to this bidding section. So in this section, they're going to ask you on what you're trying to focus on. For example, you want to focus on conversion or conversion value, or maybe you want to focus on clicks. You can choose on whichever is going to align with your goal. Just going to go with conversion for now. You can also set a target cost per action because you're going to pay for your ads. In order for it to work better, you're going to pay for your Google Ads. And if you would like to create a count on your target cost per actions, you can go ahead and turn it on. But if you don't want to, you don't have, because it says this is optionals. And after you choose on what you want to focus on, go ahead and click on next. They're going to ask you to define the key settings for your search network as well as display network. And over here, they're going to also ask you on the location you will want your ads to be targeted to. So for example, you came from a country and you would like to make your business to be more international. You want every country to look at your ads. You want the targeted customer or the targeted people are not limited into just one country. You can always choose all countries and territories, but if you also want to target just one country, go ahead and click on the enter another location and then type in on the location you will want. It's going to choose the all countries and territories for now. And then you can also type in what language would you want your customer to speak on. Let's say that I want my customers to be the one that speaks English. You can always add more languages. I'm just going to leave it as that for now. And then you also have the options to add more settings if you want, like the ad rotation, start and end date, ad schedule, campaign URL, brand restriction, etc. If you're finished entering everything, if you feels like all of the data that you've inputted is enough, go ahead and click on next. And then in the sections, they're going to ask you for keywords. So this is the name of my shop. So if anyone's trying to search for any of this words, they're going to be able to find my shop. And if you scroll all the way down, you're going to be able to find this ad strength section. It shows how strong your ads is, how good it will be on converting your ads to actual leads. So make sure to pay attention to this and fill in according to the necessary details, because it's going to show how strong your ads will be and whether the leads conversion are going to be big or not. And last but not least, they're going to shows you all of the detail that you have already inserted. So go ahead and take a look at everything that you've just added. And if you feel like everything is according to your need, you can always go ahead and click on publish campaign, and that is it. That is how you can create Google Ads for your Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.